I want to see volume on AMC stock hit 0 shares traded. What did this guy just say? Yeah, I want to see volume on AMC stock go to 0. Why? Because if nobody's trading AMC stock, that means that everybody is holding. All the shares are finally in the hands of ape investors. All of the shares are finally in the hands of people who want to see the short squeeze. Guys, 200 million shares being traded today. It's crazy to see that sort of volume. 300 million shares being traded on Thursday. It's crazy to see that sort of volume because that means that so many people are out there day trading and swing trading AMC and taking their profits when they see 10, 20% gains on their portfolio when they could be seeing 10, 20,000% gains on their portfolio because of the short squeeze. So let's talk a little bit in this video about how important volume is for the short squeeze and why I want to see it go to 0. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we're growing our portfolios together. All right, AMC stock. Let's talk about this. We saw volume, daily volume, averaging around 35 million shares per day, and this was good. Okay, we know that reported shorts are roughly in the 90 to 100 million share number, and it would take hedge funds around 3 days to cover their short positions. Not a huge risk for hedge funds, but much better than the half a day that they could cover their short positions in right now when we're seeing volume at 200 million shares. Now, I say that I want to see volume at 0 shares. I know that volume's not going to go to absolutely 0, but I want to see as much diamond holders. I want to see as much people holding as possible. That means not selling. It's confusing to me. 3.2 plus million people are out there holding AMC stock right now. Are they trading it? Are they day trading it? Are they swing trading it? You know, they might try to call themselves apes somewhere, but if they're selling the position, which they clearly are, 200 million shares trading hands, they're not diamond handing it. They're not here for the short squeeze if they're taking a 10% profit or a 20% profit. Guys, if we day trade AMC like this, you might hate me for saying it, but if we day trade AMC like this, and every time we get to a level of resistance, we allow the share to fall back down. We take those profits. We swing trade AMC like a technical trader. The short squeeze can't happen if people are just out there potentially handing their shares over to hedge funds at $14, at $12, at $10. You have to think, okay? If you want to see the short squeeze, but you're like, well, I see a 20% profit on the table right now, maybe I should take that and get in at a different point. You have to think one thing. You don't know who you're selling your shares to. I hope another retail investor is buying your shares, but you don't know who you're selling your shares to. A hedge fund could be buying those shares from you for $14 to cover that position. A hedge fund could be buying those shares from you for $12 to cover that short position. And yes, you might think, well, I've only got 1 or 2 shares. It doesn't matter. I can trade it now. If everybody thought that way, we would never see any price higher than the $12 to $14 range. It is absolutely vital to hold on to the positions. Now, if for some reason you're overexposed, you have more positions than you can comfortably hold on to, I understand. I'm never going to force anybody to hold their positions or force anybody to invest in something that they're not comfortable with. That's just not what I'm here for. I'm here for a short squeeze. I am here to see AMC stock go as high as possible to numbers that they're going to be talking about throughout the rest of the 2020s and 2030s and 2000s, guys. I don't know if you really understand or grasp the importance and how high AMC stock can go if everybody plays according to plan. If everybody sticks to the short squeeze movement, AMC stock could absolutely make history. But if you're day trading it, if you're swing trading it, you're not playing into the short squeeze. You're making a quick dollar on the volatility. That's all that is. And I understand there are going to be day traders that see the volatility in AMC stock and they're going to come in. Don't even give them the chance to buy the shares off of you. If you're holding for a short squeeze, that's what you have to think. You're holding for this short squeeze. Every time we buy up one more share or two more shares, it's very easy. There's 3.2 million shareholders out there. If we just bought a share a day for the next 3 months, guys, that's 300 million shares. We would already own all of the stocks of AMC, and you added a share a day for the next 3 months. Like, I know 3 months might be a long time to wait for the short squeeze, but in all honesty, is it? If everybody buying these shares was willing to hold it, is it really that long of a time frame to wait for AMC to go to 1,000 or 5,000 or 10,000 or some ridiculous price that doesn't even make sense in your mind? Like, no, it's not that long of a time frame. So don't even give the day traders, don't give the day traders the time of day. Don't allow them to buy your shares. And if you're a day trader, just consider thinking, okay, I can make 10% now, or hey, when this squeeze takes place, I can make 10,000%. I'm pretty sure you're going to take the 10,000%, right? So consider it a long-term swing trade if you need to. If you're a day trader out there and you're itching to take your 10% profit, consider it a long-term swing trade. And you're going to wait out a couple months, and you're going to be very happy because the squeeze took place. Now, guys, that's why I want to see volume go as low as possible. Some people might have different theories that they want to see volume move higher because the higher volume spikes the price up because we got more buyers coming in. Okay, it might make sense in one way of thinking, but it only really makes sense if the people buying those shares and that volume is driven by people who are actually going to hold the stock. That's the most important thing in the short squeeze. Guys, if everybody else folds at $14, they're going to fold at 20. If we got people folding at 20, the hedge funds can buy these shares up for pennies on the dollar, and that's it. So make sure to share this video. Make sure to let somebody know how important it is to hold AMC, to hold out, not give day traders the time of day, not give these hedge funds a single chance to buy one of their shares back at $14, $13, $12, $10 a share. Do not give them a chance. Now, guys, if you're brand new to the channel and you haven't clicked that subscribe button yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. There's a link in the description below for Webull. If you haven't signed up yet, make sure to use that link down there. Sign up, deposit $100, get those free stocks, sell those free stocks, buy AMC, and look, you got a share, and you didn't even have to spend any of your money to get it. That's a good way to get in on the squeeze, absolutely free. And look, I'm brand new on Twitter as well. Make sure to follow me on Twitter, ClayBro883. There should be a link in the description. Click that. It's real easy to follow me if you click that link. And share this video on Twitter somewhere. Get the word out there on how important it is to hold AMC stock if you're interested in this short squeeze. Now, until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.